What if you have booked a one-night stay at one of Dubai's most luxurious beach resorts? You just got only 21 hours to explore everything: the room, the pool, the beach, the spa, fine dining, and even a rooftop party. In this video, we are challenging ourselves to explore all the facilities of this 5-star resort from sunrise to sunset, all in just 21 hours. This video can be a perfect guide for your next stay in this resort. Palm Jumeirah is one of the most famous places in Dubai. It is shaped like a palm tree and is home to many luxury resorts. If you are visiting Dubai, staying here for at least one night is a great way to explore the luxury of Dubai. To really understand where we are staying today, let's quickly break down the layout of Palm Jumeirah. The trunk, this is the central road that connects the Palm Jumeirah to the mainland. The fronds, these are the palm leaf shaped branches that go out from the trunk. The crescent, this is the curved outer ring that surrounds the palm. We have also stayed in other hotels around this area. Click the link above to see those videos. We have stayed here, and now here. The Marriott resort is right on the trunk, which makes it easy to reach. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are staying in one of Dubai's most luxurious and beautiful resorts, the Marriott resort on Palm Jumeirah. There is a free valet parking for all guests, which is super convenient. Our luggage was handled by the hotel staffs. We dropped our car at the valet and walked in. The check-in time here is at 3 p.m. and we are on time. As we walked in, we were so amazed to see a huge lobby with beautiful chandeliers, luxury interiors, and plenty of seating space to relax. The staff were very friendly and helpful, and everything was smooth and easy. We booked the Palm Sea View room with the balcony, and I can't wait to show you the mind-blowing view from the balcony. It's absolutely breathtaking. I'll be showing you everything in the full room tour coming up next, so stay tuned. Here you can find the lobby lounge cafe located at the hotel's central lobby area, which is called the Great Room. There is ample seating available, allowing guests to enjoy a coffee or some refreshments while waiting to check in. Now we are at the reception to check in. They served us a welcome drink. After a short wait, it was finally our turn. And with a lot of excitement, we received our room keys. $342, lucky number. The room is super spacious with a beige color theme with modern fit out and beautifully designed. The room is super clean, definitely a 10 out of 10 for hygiene. The bed and couch are really comfy with soft pillows and warm comforter. There are side tables on both the sides of the bed with a bed lamp. Beside, you can also find a big dressing table with a long mirror, a table lamp, and an office chair. There is also a tea table with 2 lounge chairs. In front of the bed, there is a large LED TV, looks like it's around 65 inches, placed on a table, perfect for watching while lying on the bed. Next to that is the tea and coffee setup, an electric kettle, teacup, and 2 bottles of water. In the drawer below, there is a snack bar filled with chips, biscuits, and chocolates, but these are not free. And here we have a very interesting one, a mini bar filled with different alcoholic drinks, all neatly arranged, and this is also chargeable. Here we have a wardrobe with 4 doors. One part has an ironing board and a bathrobe. Another section has a safe locker. Below that, in this drawer, there's a hairdryer, and in this one, nothing. We got the room slippers here. On the other side of the wardrobe, you can find the hangers and the storage space. The bathroom is spacious and well designed, with a separate walk-in shower and bathtub. One of the highlights is the large round mirror, which looks great under the warm light. The bathroom has a clean white theme, giving it a fresh and elegant feel. There are plenty of towels, tissues, and full set of toiletries including sanitary kit, beauty soap, hand wash, shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. It features both a rain shower and a hand shower for your comfort. You'll also find 2 more bottles of water and a glass placed on the counter. There is a small cute marble drawer that holds the sanitary kits and other essentials, neatly arranged for easy access. The balcony is one of the best part of stay at the Marriott Resort. You can see the bright blue sea, boats passing by, and Dubai's famous tall buildings in the distance. You can see a lot of yachts and boats sailing around, even some are party boats. This place is full of energy even up from here. And over there is Ain Dubai, the world's biggest observation wheel, standing tall on Blue Waters Island. Across the water, that's the Royal Mirage Hotel. This is a luxury hotel. Up next, we are heading to the pool area. The resort has a beautiful long pool with plenty of lounge chairs and a pool bar. Let's check how's the experience going to be in this pool area. We picked our towels from the counter and walked towards the pool area. There is a separate pool for kids which is great for families. The main pool was long, clean and temperature controlled, so the water felt perfect. There were plenty of lounge chairs and umbrellas, so it was easy to find a spot to relax. We relaxed for a while at the Miami Pool Bar. It's such a cool spot right by the pool. The vibe was super chill and it's a perfect place to grab a drink while enjoying the view. Right after the sunset, we are heading to the spa for a total relaxation. I'm so excited to show you what is inside this luxury spa. Coming up next. The Marriott Resort has 10 distinct dining options, ranging from casual beachside restaurants to elegant international cuisine. The pool is open till 10 p.m. and is so beautiful in the night with blue lights. Now we are heading to this spa. The spa is located on the 14th floor. We just have reached here. Let's go inside and check out what this has to offer us. First, we are entering the changing room, which has a safe locker. In this spa, there is a jacuzzi, sauna bath, steam bath, and even cold water and towels to refresh. You can also take a relaxing shower in the spa area. This is a great way to unwind. It's time for dinner, and let's check out the dining options here. Our first stop is at Cucina Restaurant. It's a warm, homely Italian restaurant that feels like Rome. They serve oven fresh pizza, pasta, and warm vibes. Miami Pool Bar is a perfect place for relaxing. Grab a snack, sip a cool drink, and enjoy the music while at the pool. Sereno Pico is a Mexican style one. Beautiful outdoor spot with lovely sea views. Great place to hang out. Smoky Moto is a modern Korean restaurant, perfect for barbecue lovers. Dubai's first fancy Korean barbecue place. You grill your own food at the table. Gelateria by Cucina is all about yummy ice cream. This is a perfect place for ice cream lovers. Oku Restaurant is a trendy Japanese place, known for its sushi and stylish ambience. After dinner, we headed to Above 11, the rooftop bar and lounge. The views at night were absolutely stunning. We enjoyed some music and had a cocktail. The night view from a balcony was just beautiful. A perfect way to end the day looking back at the amazing moments we had. In the next day morning, we woke up to a calm and peaceful view, a perfect way to start the day. I went to the fitness center for a quick 20 minutes workout. Free towel and refreshments were provided. After a shower, it was time for breakfast. Levantera restaurant is the main breakfast restaurant, and trust me, the buffet is huge. From fresh fruits and salads to eggs, pancakes, Arabic, Indian, and continental dishes, there is something for everyone. The ambience is bright, lively, and family friendly. After breakfast, we went back to Bal Harbour and Beach. You can swim or soak in the sun, but we choose to relax and enjoy the view of the ocean. We also explored the kids club, sports area, and in-house shopping and beauty salon. There is something for every age group here. By the way, how many restaurants did you spot in this video? Let us know in the comments below. If you are visiting Dubai and want to have a mix of luxury, comfort, food, and fun, the Marriott Resort at Palm Jumeirah is a great choice. We really enjoyed our stay in this resort and time we spent was priceless. How about you? Have you stayed here? Or would you like to stay in this resort? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel videos. See you in the next one. Take care.